So Petunia and I have figured out how to play catch together, and we're going to show you how to do it. This is her nice rubber ball. It's easy for her to grip, and you can see that she's waiting for it. So here we go. All right, ready? All right, oh, drop it. Good girl. Yay, Petunia. Yay. Drop it. Good girl. Yay. Drop it. Yay, Petunia. Okay, I'm going to get you back up the hill. There you go. Good girl. Whoa. Good girl. Yay. Alright, here comes at ya. Yay. Good girl. Drop it. Yay, Petunia. Back up the hill. Back up. Back up. Back up. Good girl. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Yay, Petunia. Alright, let's get you back up there. Yay. Egg. Alright, hold. Drop it. Yay. How fun is this? Play catch with your dog. Yay. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Can you get back uphill? Get back uphill. Good girl. Drop it. Yay. Good girl. Yay, Petunia. Drop it. Alright, there you go. Yay, Petunia. Good girl. Good girl. Nice egg. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Yay, Petunia. Nice capture. A little outfielder right there. Drop it. Ready? Yay! Good catch. Drop it.